Hello fellow YouTubers, I'm here to show you how to make a, fuck, I just had a brain fart, sorry about that. Siren sound effects. I'm here to show you how to make siren sound effects. Kinda like on a, cop car. So, first, generate chirp. Set it to 1 second, click OK, then go to Effect, change the speed, and then set it to -2, click OK, then go click on the track once so that's selected, then hit edit and then duplicate, then click the bottom track, hit edit and duplicate. Now you have 3 tracks and it should sound like a siren. Okay. And then if you want to save it, hit File, Export, and then save it to a file that you think is safe, like, let's say music. Then save it, and just skip that, and then click OK. And then thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe, and I'll have videos up later on. Thanks for watching.